To download Visual Studio Code, we must go to the Visual Studio Code's official website, and from there we can download it for Windows, Linux, and Mac. For Mac OS, click on the button given there, and for Windows, click on the button. So it will automatically start downloading. So VS Studio Code is getting downloaded. We'll open it once when we get Visual Studio Code is used for coding Python, C++, Java, and other things. The top extensions help us to just make our code beautiful and work smartly. So let's install the Visual Studio Code, accept all the terms and conditions, click on the next button, next, and also do add open with code action to Windows Explorer, add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. Tick mark all this and then give next. Then install it. It is getting being installed. Now finish and the Visual Studio Code will be launched. So you can keep the dark theme or you can keep the light theme as you wish. So let's select the dark theme. Then tick mark all this boxes and just go to next section. Code with extensions, we have to install all the extensions that are required to be there in our VS Code. Built-in terminal install Git. So Git is used to store our things, store our code. So we can install Git by such a way you can read the documentation of it. We will go to Visual Studio Code. Then we can customize our shortcuts. We can do Markdown, and the Visual Studio Code is ready. So we can create a new file. We can open a file or we can open a folder. So let's create a new file. And then for programming languages, we will give for Java, we will give .java extension. For C, we will go .c. For C++, we will go with C++, that is CPP extension. And for other files, for HTML, we will go for .html extension. For CSS, .css. For JavaScript, for .js. And for Python, we will give .py extension and just start coding our things in Visual Studio Code. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day. We'll meet you soon.